Hello class, this is Ms. Gonzalez and we're going to be going over the course. We're going to be going over the syllabus also, what I am expecting for you guys to be able to get when you guys are done with this course. This course is designed to provide you guys to be better teachers and to teach better reading strategies. If there's a student who needs more reading, you can use more modifications for them. This course will demonstrate to the students strategies, and it also teaches assessments, materials, and techniques on implementing reading. The purpose of this course is to examine literacy in the elementary classroom. This course focuses on the foundations of reading and writing as well as the development of academic language. In this course, you will be required to read the Common Core State Standards for English Language Arts and the framework as well. This is free. Anybody can go online and get the text. It's free. You don't have to pay for it, and it teaches you the standards of the grade levels that they're in. And these are the course objectives. Is to apply comprehension monitoring strategies for information and technical materials, complex narratives and expositions to determine importance and summarize the text. Analyze and evaluate the grade literacy works from a variety of cultures to determine their contribution to the understanding of self, others, and the world. Distinguish between the fact, opinion, and reason, argument, clarify time, point of view, and purpose. Recognize stereotypes, cliches, bias, and propaganda techniques. Identify the message and target audience and narrative and documents to determine credibility. And in this course, you will identify cultural as well. You will analyze the reading process, connect these methods with theories of language and literacy learning. You will build literacy environments in the classroom and at home where students can develop natural curiosity for reading, understanding, and utilize the natural curiosity phenomenon. You will construct and articulate philosophy of education. In week 1, the discussion is going to be there's a quiz and there's an essay that will be due. The essay is a 5-page paragraph. How did you learn how to read and write, and how will you help a student who is struggling on reading? This essay is 5 pages and you have to use scholarly articles. On week 2, there's a discussion that is due, the quiz, and you can make a lesson plan by using a PowerPoint or Google Slide, or you can even make a blog through Globster. And it's on using a reading strategy and how you will help the student become a better reader. On week 3, the discussion is due, the quiz, and there's a case study. The case study is going to be based on 2 families, and you're going to compare and contrast on how their children learn how to read and write. And if they're still struggling, what other suggestions do you have for that family member? And read the Common Core State Standards for English Language Arts, and read the book based on literacies with young children, chapter 1 through 4. On week 4, the discussion will be due. Make sure to reply to at least 3 students using 2 paragraphs in response. There's a quiz and there's going to be an essay, a 5-page essay. How would you apply critical literacy skills in your classroom? It can be from your, it can be based on the observations you have made, based on experience that you have in the classroom. Remember to read the book. Finish reading it. It's the last week, and read the Common Core State Standards. And this is a grade policy, and the activities, how much the points are worth, the quiz, the essay. And we're going to go over the website that I have created for this class. Okay, so this website that I created is called Passionate About Reading, and I created this website using my eCoach. This is an overview of the website. It's reading is power, and we should motivate our second graders to continue on reading. If one cannot read, then one cannot write. Today is a day to help them improve their reading and give them the extra support in elementary. It is important concept that every student knows how to read for the Common Core. Also, if they are having a hard time understanding reading, then they will struggle to comprehend any subject. This will help parents to help their student improve their reading skills. For new teachers, you will learn many strategies that you can incorporate in your classroom when you see students struggling in reading. This website was designed for parents, for new teachers that want to implement new reading strategies. And the students must identify upper and lower case letters in the second grade. And these are some objectives for second grade. If you read this page, there's many objectives that the school district require for most of the students. We can briefly go over the page. You can take a closer look once you're at the page, so you can quote and from this objectives and put it in your essay as well. Okay, so and this link is Common Core Standards, and it tells you the standards of what to expect for second graders. And there's also a video So this video is a second grade teacher, and it compares and contrasts. And you can take a closer look. This video is about 8 minutes long, so we're going to go to the next link. Now there's some strategies. The strategies that I use in this classroom, I explain the close reading, and we talk about silent reading in the course. And if you have any English language learners, the SEDAI is a very good tool to use in the classroom. And right here, there's more, to a bigger depth in close reading. We have like how it's used, the steps, to use close reading, and there's a PowerPoint also. The PowerPoint that we already went over. And by the end, when you guys are done doing close reading, this is what the students should have in their text. So it also goes over the steps of independent reading. And there's a video also. This video is 7 minutes long, and it tells you the practice.
Welcome to another edition of Best Practices Weekly. Today we're going to be talking about best practices.
So you guys can go over it on your free time. And there's silent reading. These are the steps, and it explains what silent reading is. And this video is 6 minutes long, and it tells you the significance of silent reading and why it's important to incorporate it to the classroom. And this is blogs. There's the blog that I created in Prairie Unified School District. They use the Excel program to help students improve on their reading skills. And there's a couple YouTube videos. The first one is on Martin Luther King Elementary. It's here in Imperial Valley. And it talks about how they use the Excel program in their district. And then this one is Effective Small Group. How a small group helps students do better and improve their reading skills. These are a couple videos. This one is 6 minutes long, and this one is 12 minutes. And there is another blog, the Super Kids Reading Program. It's a article that I wrote, and there is more videos that you can look at. And there's more blogs to go over it, and there's teacher expectations. And this teacher, she teaches us her experience on how she became a better teacher, on teaching her students on how to read. And it also talks about her experience, how she learned how to read, and her motivation, and the awards that she got, and how she helps students become better students, and and she uses game-based learning. She likes to use ClassDojo as one of her favorites. And she's a very great teacher, and if you want to use her strategies, take a look at it. And these are some useful links that you can incorporate in your classroom. Many of the teachers today are using ThinkCentral. This is a good website because it shows the students' progress reports, it shows their grades, and parents can also use these websites to be on top of their students' progress. And everything there, it's linked to the district, so the district can also see the progress of the students. And Starfall, it's another good website to teach students how to read. Reading Eggs is a very engaging website. I love using this website. This website, students can engage with other students. They can compete with other students as well. ClassDojo is a very good website. The parents also can track the students' progress, and teachers and parents can send each other notes, emails regarding on the students. And iRead, it's a great website for second graders, and it teaches them how to become better readers. And there's a quiz for parents quiz, the survey, and any comments that you might have. So this is my website. And this concludes my class, my website that I created, and hopefully you guys will look at it and enjoy. Thank you.